box lid. So we've cut this one up so we can use it. So you cut the outside out, and you cut the inside out, so that will be pushed down to press to get rid of some of the water. And you'll also need a fly screen. Mum will be a little bit angry, but you know, she'll have to do. So, and then you have to glue the fly screen into the box lid so that you can, for later in the experiment. So first you've got to have your shredded up newspaper, water and some colouring in there. And then you just put that in there and you let it sink to the bottom. So you've got first with the green. And then you write some of the piece of paper over the top of it. Once you've got that, you just pull it out. But you take it over, and you want to do it from a far away distance, so grab it.